Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw Butterfly Queen. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos, like and share this video. Let's color this butterfly. We are using light blue color. This is light blue color. Which color is this? This is light blue color. Yellow color. This is yellow color. Which color is this? This is yellow color. Now we are using pink color. Pink color. Which color? This is pink color. Do you like pink color? This is pink color. Now we are using light green color. Light green color. We are using light green color. Good job. Now we will use orange color. Orange color. This is orange color. Now we will use dark green color. Dark green color. Now red and yellow. Again light blue color. Yellow color. For crown, we are using orange color. This is orange color. We are using light blue again. Now pink. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.